Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, if you guys don't already know. So it's been a really long time since I posted. It's been a month and a half. I know. But we are now at 769 subscribers. You guys, thank you so much. I don't think you guys understand how happy I am. But yes, anyways, I will go ahead and leave my Instagram and Snapchat somewhere on here so you guys can also follow me on there. And please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video before or after that you watch it. Doesn't matter. No, but thank you so much for 700 subscribers. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did one eye off camera just so it would be a little quicker like I did before. I'm using the J-Cat Hollywood I'm going to be using the J-Cat Beauty Hollywood 24 eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to be using also the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. And look at it broke. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Shack T43 brush, and I'm going to go in with this pink color in the corner. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm going to go in with a brush that has no product on it. This is the Be Bella NG323 brush. And I'm just going to go and blend it. And I'm going to go in with my, it's a little embarrassing, look how dirty this is. But that just tells you how much I actually use this, and like I really love it. But it's been used and abused. But I'm going to go in with Love Letter from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to use that to deepen up my crease. So now going back into the Hollywood palette, my broken Hollywood palette, I'm going in with this purple color right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to deepen up the crease even more. Since this palette doesn't have a black color in it, and neither does the Anastasia one, I'm going to go into the other Anastasia palette, the Prism palette. And I'm just going to go in with that black color. And I'm going to apply that black just to the outer corner, just to deepen it up even more. Now I'm going to take my Shape Tape and my concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease. I need violence. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder and set it, but you just cut out the sides of it. So it blends out like that, and I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder. Now to fade out the edges a little bit, I'm going to go back in with that same color that I started with, this pink color right here. And then just fade out the sides of it. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with Love Letter from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And sort of fade it out. And then back in with that purple color, that second purple color from the Hollywood palette, this color right here, and then just fade it out, and then in with that black color. Now for the glitter, I'm going to be using Shopware Beauty glitter in the color, or in the shade Erotic City. It looks like this. Okay, so to apply the glitter to my lid, I'm going to be using just regular duo glue. I just put it on the bottom of my mirror, just something that I have there. And then I'm going to be taking this little brush and grabbing some of the eyelash glue and just carefully outlining where I had cut my crease. Now taking my glitter with my finger, making sure I don't look up just because the glue can transfer over. I'm just gonna pat it on. I like to go back in with that black color. Once my glitter is already set into my eyes, I like to grab a little bit of the black and just kind of make it a little bit darker towards the corners. So I'm going to be using the the Vegas Nay lashes. They're called Bronze Beauty. Yeah, Bronze Beauty. So to prep my face, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu. I didn't know that had boozy, but I'm just going to spray my face. Okay. Now next, I'm going to go in with this little tiny little sample of the MAC Strobe Cream. So since everything is done with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face just because it's the same thing as always. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera or fast forward or something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but... Okay, so now that I'm done with the rest of my face, except for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom of the eyes. So going back in with that pink color right there. Now going in with Love Letter. Now I'm going to go in with that black shade and I'm just going to stick towards the outside. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner. I'm going to take NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I lost my sharpener, so I have to stick. And I'm just going to add a little bit of white into my corners. And then I'm going to go back in with the palette and I'm going to use this white color in the corner and apply it over it. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the same Mario Badescu spray. So for lips, I'm going to go in with a mixture of Italia lip liner in light brown and MAC's Cork. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media so you guys are updated with everything that I post or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Yeah. The struggle of being 4'9". Watch. I'm spinning. I'm spinning. Okay. I can hear you guys. Can you see me? Hello?